In this video, I will show you how I made a pair of waterproof jeans. Yes, jeans that are waterproof. The denim itself is not waterproof, and from the outside they appear to be completely normal jeans. But on the inside, they have a waterproof breathable liner that keeps you dry in the worst of conditions. So I looked for waterproof jeans online. There's two solutions that were available, and that's coated waterproof jeans. So it's essentially like a version of Rain-X on the jeans. That's great and all, but we all know those coatings don't last long. They wear off. So I just wouldn't be satisfied with something like that. And the second was a much better solution. It had like a breathable waterproof garment on the inside and just ordinary denim on the outside. And that was my favorite solution. But alas, that cost hundreds of dollars. So instead what I came up with is $17 or $18 Walmart jeans, $12 garment that's waterproof, and a couple of different solutions to properly seal everything together. So all legitimate high quality undergarments have actual tape sealing up the seams, and of course I didn't want to spend the money on a good pair that had that, so I decided to get a couple of these. So I actually ended up going with leak seal because it was by far and away the best option. So the first thing I did was I flipped the rain pants and the jeans inside out and put the rain pants over top the jeans. I then attached the waist of the rain pants just a little bit inside the jeans such that they wouldn't be showing. However, the rain pants were actually longer than the jeans, so the legs were still poking out. So I chose to cut the legs down with scissors. So as it turns out, I don't know that much about sewing, so I got my grandmother to do it for me. We started by pinning up the jeans waistband. So when you sew the jeans, make sure that you leave enough waistband at the front of the jeans such that when you unbutton the jeans to get them on and off, there's enough material to physically stretch. And so after the waistband was complete, we inserted pins into the bottom legs of the jeans and began to sew the bottom legs on. So overall, the sewing was a very simple process, taking only about 5 minutes, and we checked the jeans from the outside afterwards, and due to the use of our blue string, which closely matched the color, the seams were actually very close to being invisible from the outside. And so, after I sewed up the jeans, the final step was to seal up the seams of the waterproof pants, because they were so cheap they didn't use seam tape. So I used Rust-Oleum leak seal for this. The application was easy. You just spray it on and it dries in a couple hours. If you use waterproof rain pants that come with seam tape and no openings, this step shouldn't be necessary. So, with the jeans complete, I just had to test them. The testing methodology consisted of me wearing a standard pair of jeans with my waterproof jeans over top. The regular jeans served to act as a marker in case any water leaked through. To simulate the worst of rainfall conditions, I had my dad blast me with a pressure washer for about 2 minutes. So, as you can see from the video, I was completely supremely soaked. Water was pouring down the jeans because the fabric could hold no more. I felt somewhat cold on the inside, and I couldn't tell if I was wet or not. However, upon a removal of the jeans, much to my satisfaction, I was completely dry. And so this brings about the conclusion of this project. If you would like to replicate what I have done here, I have posted some product links for some of the stuff I used in the description. These links are part of the Amazon Affiliates program, so if you purchase from them, I get a small kickback at no additional charge for you. I do this in the hopes that I can generate income to support future projects. Otherwise, you can find supplies at your local clothing and hardware stores. I thank you for watching, and for more videos in the future, I would encourage you to like and subscribe. I have some social media accounts you could also follow, and I'll see you next time.